In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to Squarespace. Starting off, Squarespace is a popular platform that lets you build beautiful websites with ease. Whether you're updating your blog, portfolio, or any other type of site, adding images is one of the fundamental steps that can make your web page stand out. So, let's dive right in on how you can seamlessly integrate images into your Squarespace site. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Squarespace website. Here you'll find the doorway to your personal digital canvas. Once the website loads, look for the Login button. It shouldn't be too hard to spot. Typically it's prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Now Squarespace offers several ways to log in, but for convenience let's use the Continue with Google option. This is a quick way to get through the login process, especially if your Google account is already connected to Squarespace. As soon as you click on Continue with Google, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Choose the one that's associated with your Squarespace account. After you've successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to your website dashboard. You can easily access your site by clicking on the link that takes you directly to your website's admin panel. Don't worry about getting lost. Squarespace's user interface is quite intuitive. Once you're in your website's dashboard, it's time to enter the edit mode. Look for the edit button. This will open up a world of customization options for your site. Squarespace's edit mode is where the magic happens. It's here that you'll be able to add, remove, and tweak the elements that make up your website. Now that you're in edit mode, let's get down to business. It's time to add an image block to your web page. Look for the Add Block button, which should be easily visible. Squarespace offers a variety of blocks for different purposes, but for now we're focusing on the image block. Click on image to bring up the image block options. Once you do, you'll see a placeholder for the image block, typically marked by a plus icon. Click on this plus icon, which will open a dialog box prompting you to upload an image. Within this dialog box, select Upload File to browse your computer for the image you wish to add. Take your time to find the right image that fits perfectly with your site's aesthetics and message. Remember, the images you choose play a crucial role in capturing your audience's attention. After selecting your image, Squarespace will upload it to your image block. This might take a moment depending on the file size. Once the upload is complete, you'll have the opportunity to add captions, alt text, and other details that can enhance the accessibility and SEO of your site. The final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the Edit Mode panel. Clicking this button will secure all your hard work and immediately reflect the changes on your live site. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image to your Squarespace site. Experiment with different images and layouts to see what best suits your website. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So choose your images wisely to convey your site's message. That wraps up our tutorial for today. Don't hesitate to replay this video if you need to go through any steps again. Adding images is just the beginning. Squarespace offers endless possibilities to make your website uniquely yours. Happy editing!